Okay, so I'll be showing you guys what you'll be needing. You can have this bottle, but it's not needed. 2 clips to tie her hair back, and a bobby pin, just in case if there's any fallouts. A wire hairbrush, I recommend the one from American Girl. And you'll also be needing a straight hair doll. It doesn't work as well on curly hair or wavy haired dolls, but I recommend doing it on straight hairs. So yeah. Okay. So what you will want to be doing now is just misting your hair very lightly and then brushing it out so that there is no tangles. So what you will want to be doing now is taking 2 parts of your hair, just make them small, and then twist, just like that, and then taking the top part and then put it right in the middle of that twist that you just did, and then pull it down and then lock it in. And then put it down in the middle and then lock it again. So I'll show you guys one more time. Put it in between and then lock it again. Okay. Okay, so now I'll start brushing my hair. And now, taking your clip, you want to clip the end to her hair. And then do the same to the other side. Hi!